So Lyle, thank you for being with us here at the K&M Trade Show. Tell me, you're with Tire Star. How long have you been with Tire Star?
So I bought the business in 2018. So we took over June 1st, 2018. And so that would be what, 4.5 years, 5.5 years?
And how long have you been in the industry? Were you in the industry prior to that?
I was not. I had a trucking business since I was fairly young.
Okay.
And it's kind of a long story, but I had trucking business. We had a rental house that we sold, and we were going to build a chicken barn, actually.
Okay.
Then that fell through, and so in the meantime, one of the workers at Tire Star came to me and said, if you buy it, I'll manage it for you. So from 2018, June of 2018 till 21, I was still trucking.
Okay.
And would go in the afternoon.
Man.
And so get up at 4:30, do my trucking.
That's a long way.
Yeah, it is.
So how many locations for Tire Star?
We have 2 now. So January 2nd, I started my second location.
Okay.
So
congratulations. How many bays?
The one in Middlebury, we have 3 bays for mechanic work, and then we had 2 bays for tires.
Okay. And what's kind of your tire and service mix?
In Middlebury, we're at probably 60% mechanic and 40% tires. We added a lift since I took over, so we do a little bit more mechanic work than they did it to begin with. So
got it.
At the other location, I would say it's probably 60% tires and 40% mechanic work.
Okay.
So we're not. The other location I bought it's gonna take a while to build up, but hopefully,
of course.
The goal is to have it similar to what the Middlebury one is. So
what kinds of trends are you seeing in the industry around you right now?
So we live there by the trailer factories.
Okay.
So it's a really, if the trailer factories are slow, people are trying to pinch money.
Yeah.
And so the past year was a little more difficult because the trailer factories were slow, and so it took a little bit more advertising to try and sell tires. One thing that's a little difficult is we're getting more and more people buy tires online, and they're bringing in to us to put on. So we do a lot of tire swap, but we've raised our prices on that quite a bit to make out or the amount that we lose in tire markup. So
it makes a lot of sense. And so when did your relationship begin with K&M Tire?
It began the first day that I took over.
Really?
Yeah, it was. So Troy Heitmeyer, I think that's his name. Troy. The first day that we opened, he was there. It might have been a day before to help us. So the previous owner didn't do it the way it should have been done. He didn't charge any markup on the tire and just did it all in labor.
Oh, okay.
And so Troy really helped us in learning how it should be done. Show us. So he sat down for hours helping us set up. So that was fantastic. He was a great help.
What kind of benefits have you seen from that relationship, kind of spawned from all these years?
Well, anytime that I have a question about tires, Troy's the first guy that I call. He always has time to explain things. The other big benefit that I see to K&M is the difference between K&M and others is with their inventory. Some of the others, if they don't, it says they have a tire in stock, and they don't. We don't find out till the next day.
How much money is he going to grip?
Usually, when inventories says they have some left, they have some left, and that makes a huge deal for us because if we come to the next day, tires don't show up, the customer's there. It's really frustrating.
Absolutely. Question for you: what are you really focusing on as far as growth is concerned in your business in 25?
We just started on the second location, so That's my focus this year.
Makes sense.
I'm planning to do a lot of advertising towards the end of the year to try to get our tire sales up. But right now, the only thing I'm focusing on is getting the other location running smoothly. And yeah, excited for the opportunities that we have. Having 2 locations and building our customer base. So
I'm excited for you. I hope you have a great year.
well, thank you.
Thanks a lot, Lyle. Appreciate your time.
Yep.